Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting fashion video for you as well as a giveaway. I'm going to be reviewing what's been deemed the it bag for spring summer 2021, and the most exciting part is I am going to be doing a giveaway for this bag. So if you're interested to know my thoughts on the it bag for spring summer and what that bag is as well as how to win that bag, keep watching. So let's get into the video. So guys, what is the it bag for spring summer 2021? This bag is literally all over social media. It's sold out like immediately. Everyone's raving about this bag. It is the Coach Pillow Tabby bag. So here's the bag in the dust bag. This is actually the bag that I'm giving away, but I'm going to give you guys my first impressions, thoughts on the bag. So here it is in the Coach dust bag, and here is the Coach Pillow Tabby, and this is the size 18, which is the mini size. In the color Ivory. So Coach released the Pillow Tabby bag, regular size. I think it's 26. And then they came out with the mini size, which is this one, the Pillow Tabby 18. And I have it here in the color Ivory. So this bag, I kind of want to just give you guys my first impressions review. This bag is still brand new with the tags on it, and I'm featuring it in a giveaway. I'll put all the details for the giveaway below. But for now, I'm just going to share with you guys my first impressions review of this bag, what I think about it, and why is it so popular. Like, why did it become the it bag for spring summer 2021? So the bag, first of all, is a classic flap bag, right? But it has this really beautiful Napa leather that is kind of puffy, which gives the pillow effect of the bag. The bag is super buttery soft and like smushy to touch, which I think is super aesthetically pleasing overall. Like, everyone who sees the bag, I think in person, immediately is gravitated to it because it's not only beautiful to look at, but you just want to pick it up and touch it. It's just adorable. So this is the Tabby 18, which is the mini size, but I would definitely classify this as a micro bag. It's super tiny, but it is substantial. Don't let how small it is fool you. This bag will fit all of your essentials, and I'll get into that in a moment. But just some features: it has the Coach C logo here, and it is actually a covered logo with the hardware outline there. The hardware is gold, but it's like a brushed gold. It's really flattering, and the details on this bag are super stunning. It even says Coach here on the hardware, if you guys can see that. As the little Coach tag, which is also like a pillow, very soft and kind of puffy. Coach tag is super cute on this bag because it adorns it automatically and gives it like an extra accessory or bag charm, if you will. It comes with this top handle. I would carry handheld, but it also comes with a crossbody strap that's adjustable. Strap is adjustable. That's excellent because you can adjust the length to fit you perfectly. So adjustable crossbody straps are just always the best. Really cool about the design of this bag is that the straps are not only interchangeable, but completely removable. You can remove the straps altogether, and I feel like this size would be a definite great option to wear as almost like a clutch bag and just wear it handheld. However, you can also switch up the straps, and there's been so many people styling this bag with other chain straps and really dressing it up, which makes the bag super fun. But I really like the feature that not only are the straps interchangeable, but they're completely removable. Also, the crossbody strap is full leather, a full leather strap as well. So let's get into the interior of the bag. So the bag opens up with a magnetic closure, and that's how closure looks. Inside you have 2 compartments. Now, the really beautiful thing about this bag, it's fully leather lined as well. So I think that really kind of ups the game a little bit, because the bag is fully leather and leather lined inside, which makes it that much more luxe, guys, just having a full leather bag. Inside you have 2 main compartments, which are divided by this leather kind of divider here. In the back you have 1 back pocket, which has a little Coach Care card in the back there. You have a back pocket, so you definitely have some organization in this bag, which is awesome. Looking at it, the craftsmanship of this bag is beautiful. Like, it is flawless. Design here on the side, super gorgeous. Here's the bottom of the bag, which allows the bag to stand up on its own, which is just, again, another very posh luxe effect that this bag gives. So the big question is, because it's super tiny, does a phone fit in it? I have the iPhone XS Max, and I have a pretty hefty case on it. So let's see. It slides in effortlessly there in the back pocket. Still have a little room in the back, as well as you're not forgetting the slip pocket in the back. And so you still have the entire front compartment for keys. I would definitely use a kind of card case as a wallet in this bag, but you could definitely fit a small lipstick, some keys, a card case, maybe a small hand cream or hand sanitizer as well, and it will definitely fit in there. So I think that's what's super cute about this bag, is that it's super tiny, but it's not a waste. I feel like certain micro bags, while they're super cute, they're not as functional, and you can't fit your essentials, so you have to end up carrying your phone or your keys out of the bag because they will not fit. This bag, while it is super tiny, it still is room for all of your essentials, which is awesome. While I'm talking about sizing, I have my Chanel mini rectangular flap here, and I just wanted to compare the two so you guys can see the size. The Chanel flap is a little larger. Just wanted to compare it to the Chanel mini rectangular flap for sizing, but this bag definitely holds its own as far as style and design. So why do I think this is the it bag? Why do I think it has become an instant sensation and everyone's in love with this bag? My first opinion, like my first thought when I saw the bag, it's really an ageless bag. And what I mean about ageless, it's a bag that doesn't look like it's made for a younger consumer or a more mature consumer. In fact, I think the opposite. I think it's a bag that would look just as stunning on a young person versus a more mature person. So I think that's what makes it an instant sensation, is because everyone would feel comfortable wearing the bag. So that's my opinion on why it's an instant sensation, and it really has. This bag has been completely sold out everywhere. When Coach initially dropped the regular size, and then they came out with this size, the 18 or the mini size, and I think this like literally sold out instantly once it dropped. Like, everyone wants to get their hands on it, but I picked one up for one of you. I think if you clicked on this video, you already understand all of the hype surrounding this bag and why everyone loves it so much. But I just wanted to kind of come on and give my review, as well as announce my giveaway. Just really quick close up there of I'll definitely leave more information and links below. However, I am giving away this exact bag over on my Instagram. So in order to enter, you have to go over to my Instagram. I will actually link below the exact post, which is a reel on my giveaway announcement on this item, and that post has all of the instructions on how to enter. All of the rules, all of that will be on that post. Definitely check out the description below and click on that post to the reel on my Instagram so you can enter to win. I thought this was just a must giveaway for the spring and summer because there's so much excitement around this bag. That's it for today's video. Those are my first impression thoughts on the Coach Pillow Tabby 18. I hope you guys are super excited about this giveaway as I am. So thank you so much for watching today. If you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments section below. Until next time, guys.